Hello my friends and welcome back to my creative world. Today I want to show you how you can create the water for your pool structure and your Unreal Engine projects. So first of all we should create a water by Niagara Plugin. I create a new Niagara system by right click on content browser and Niagara system and Niagara fluid and grids 3D flip pool. I choose it and name it as pool and I drag it on the scene. So if you see we have the water, very simple and fast. If we double click on the Niagara system that we create, we can see the properties. So for dimensions in the world grid we can change these dimensions about 1200 is big, so 1100 is better, and for this I think it's good. Yeah, for changing the location of this water is better to use this location. I choose for height about -80. I can reduce the height in here about 200. Yeah, it's better. So you can see very easy we can create water for our pool, and if we want to collide some object with this water, it's simple too. We can add a sphere here. If you see, it has not any effect on the water, but if we choose this sphere and in this detailed scene we search for tag, actor advanced tags, press on this plus button and type collider. After we apply this, we can see it's very interesting. For more tutorial, please subscribe my channel and I will add very interesting tutorials for you. Goodbye.